nucleus over here. Okay, now what I'm telling you is this motor nucleus has got two parts. Okay, this is called as a upper part, lower part. Here also upper part and lower part. One basic rule you have to remember is upper part of the motor nucleus supplies to your upper part of the face. Lower part of the motor nucleus supplies to your lower part of the face. Very easy, right? So what did I tell you? The upper part will give innervation to the upper part of the face. Okay, the lower part will give innervation to the muscles of the lower part of the face. Okay, so first let us write down, let us satisfy these statements. Okay, so let me write it down. What did I tell you? The lower part supplies to innervates the lower part of the face. Okay, the lower part of the motor nucleus. Again, I am writing here. This is the motor nucleus. What motor nucleus? Facial nerve motor nucleus. That is your proper nucleus, hai na? Right. And see, the lower part supplies to your lower part of your face. And what did I tell you? Upper part will supply your upper region, right? Upper part will supply your upper region. So let us draw here. Ye dekho. Upper part of the nucleus will supply, innervate your upper part like this. Okay? Okay. So this is all fine. But who is activating these? Who is activating these neurons? These neurons are activated by some other neurons which are located above, right? So those are called as upper motor neurons. ठीक है? ये nucleus के नीचे जितने भी neurons है, see whatever neurons are located, what are these neurons? These are all lower motor neurons. अभी इसके ऊपर जो neurons मैं draw करूँगा, whatever neurons I draw here, these are upper motor neurons. ठीक है? Now this is all clear to you. Now upper motor neurons, how are they innervating the lower motor neurons? How are they relapsing the lower motor neurons? We will see. Okay, so just have a look over here. First let us discuss about the upper part. Let us discuss about the upper part. See, upper part, the neurons are ipsilateral. Okay, the upper part, the neurons come from the same side and the opposite side as well. So you will completely understand when I'll write it down. Just listen to whatever I'm telling you. Okay, so neurons from left side are coming and innervating here. Neurons from right side are also coming and innervating here. The same thing goes on to the other side. I don't want to draw in and make it a mess. Okay, what about the lower part? When it comes to the lower part receives neurons only from the opposite side. Okay, again I'm making it clear, just look here. Okay, upper part hai na, upper part is receiving from same side, opposite side. Yahan pe bhi upper part will receive from same side, opposite side. Okay, but whereas lower part is not receiving from the same side, it is receiving only from the opposite side. Okay, now how do you apply this? How do I apply this is that abhi ye facial nerve lesions mein na, usually we divide this facial nerve lesions into two parts. Okay, what are those two parts? One is supranuclear lesion और दूसरा हो गया infranuclear lesion. Supranuclear lesion and infranuclear lesion. What do you mean by that? What do I mean by that is, ये देखो ये motor nucleus है ना, above the motor nucleus अगर injury हुआ then that is called as supranuclear lesion. अगर motor nucleus के नीचे यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी injury हुआ, this is called infranuclear lesion. Clear? Now we will discuss about supra, उसके बाद we will discuss about infra. Now in supra, for example, let us say I am right side I am cutting this part. Okay, when I am cutting this part on the right side, now you tell me what is going to happen. First let us look at the blue fiber. If I am cutting on the right side, blue fiber is going on to the left. Left में कहाँ पे? It is going on to the left side lower part. मतलब so this part will be affected, this part will be paralyzed. ठीक है? Next important thing, the pink fiber is also affected obviously, but this pink fiber usually is going to the upper part, so upper part also should be affected, but it won't be